Introducing MOS, the revolutionary robot construction system that transforms the way you engage with robotics and engineering. This innovative system offers a hands-on approach to building and programming robots, providing a versatile and user-friendly platform for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. With its modular design, magnetic connectors, and intuitive programming options, this construction system is designed to inspire creativity, foster learning, and make robotics accessible to everyone. At the core of this system's appeal is its modular design. Each module is a self-contained unit with a specific function, such as movement, sensing, or power. These modules can be easily connected using magnets, allowing for quick and simple assembly without the need for tools or complex instructions. This plug-and-play approach makes it easy to experiment with different configurations and designs, enabling users to create a wide variety of robotic structures and mechanisms. Whether you're building a simple moving vehicle or a complex multifunctional robot, the system's modularity provides endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. One of the standout features of this robot construction system is its ease of use. The magnetic connectors ensure a secure and reliable connection between modules, allowing for stable and functional builds. The system is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible to users of all ages and skill levels. Programming the robot construction system is both fun and educational. The accompanying app offers a user-friendly interface that supports both graphical and text-based programming. For beginners, the drag-and-drop programming environment allows users to create sequences of actions by simply arranging blocks of code. This visual approach to coding helps users understand the basics of logic and sequencing without needing prior programming knowledge. For more advanced users, the system supports text-based programming languages, enabling the creation of more complex and customized behaviors. This dual approach to programming ensures that the system grows with the user, providing ongoing challenges and learning opportunities. The educational potential of this system is immense. It serves as an excellent tool for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education, offering hands-on experience with key concepts such as mechanics, electronics, and coding. By building and programming robots, students can develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, as well as gain a deeper understanding of how technology works. The system's engaging and interactive nature makes learning enjoyable and memorable, fostering a lifelong interest in science and engineering. Beyond education, this robot construction system offers a platform for creative experimentation and innovation. Hobbyists and makers can use it to develop unique projects, from functional robots and interactive art installations to prototypes and proof-of-concept models. The system's flexibility and ease of use make it ideal for exploring new ideas and pushing the boundaries of what is possible with robotics. Whether you're creating a robot that responds to its environment, a device that interacts with humans, or a machine that performs specific tasks, the construction system provides the tools and framework to bring your visions to life.